good morning everyone. Today's vlog is about our nature because every one of us is a nature lover. We can see how beautiful is the nature is, and we are always blessed because we have a very good, beautiful green grass and green mountain, and of course lovely trees. So I'm gonna let you see how beautiful is the nature is. So as you can see, it's a very good blue sky, and of course you can see the mountain. It's so green. Yes, this is the nature in Australia. Hello again everyone. This is the beautiful creek here in our place. It's very nice and fresh water because we just have rain the other day, and it's refreshing the water now. So as you can see, the water is very good and clear. So this is the creek here. It's very nice view. As you can see, the nature is really good. So this is the creek that what we have here, and it's more good when we have like heavy rain for a day because the water is so fresh and it's so clear. So I hope you enjoy watching my blog today because it's all about nature. As we know, nature lover, we always clean, and if you see some plastic, you have to take it away and throw it in a proper bin. So thank you for watching to my blog today, and it's all about Australia's nature. We know that Australia's landscape are incredibly diverse. They include a wide variety of habitats for its wildlife, including the tropical rainforest, desert, river, mountain range, and marine environment for you. So if you love the nature, visit Australia, and if you love to visit here in Australia, visit with love and visit to make you happy. Thank you for watching.